Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Chicken Cafreal, Goa's most favorite chicken dish. Let's see how to make it. This recipe has been very popular with my catering clients. We will make the Cafreal masala first. Take 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon peppercorn, 7 cloves, 3 cardamom, 3 petal star anise, 2 pieces cinnamon, 1 piece of nutmeg, that is zephyr, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, body and 1 teaspoon oil. Fry this till light golden. Don't make it too dark. Remove it in a mixer grinder. Add 5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I have used this recipe before. You can check in shorts. And add 10 green chilies or 8 if they are very spicy. Chop and add to the mixer jar. We will add one whole bunch of fresh coriander. After cleaning, this is around 200 to 220 to 229 grams. So approximately 200 grams you can add. Chop it, wash it and chop it and then add it to the mixture jar. Wash one capsicum, deseed it, chop and add. Now add quarter cup white vinegar. You can also add toddy vinegar. Grind this all to a paste. The paste should be very fine. The garam masala should not remain as whole. You can also add it to a grinder. Cool and store in refrigerator. This will serve at least 2.5 to 3 kilos of chicken. Take 800 grams chicken, wash it and prick it with fork. Don't leave the skin on. Apply 2 tablespoon Bancal sauce. This is available in any Goan store and 1 teaspoon salt. This is the marination. Marinate for 2 hours. Now we will make boiled vegetables for the plating. Chop carrot, beans and cauliflower. Make potato wedges with the skin on, or you can also use french fries. I like these potato wedges. So we will parboil these potato wedges with little salt so that it is fried easily. Now remove it in a strainer. Let it cool once it boils. This need not be fully cooked. Boil vegetables without salt, otherwise they will discolor, and we will keep it aside. Now saute with butter. The vegetables are half cooked, so add some salt and saute in butter till lightly crunchy. Add pepper. Remove and keep aside. Add quarter cup oil and stir fry the potato wedges. Alternatively, you can also deep fry them. So there is a lot of wastage of oil, so I prefer to stir fry. Remove the excess oil. This can be used for some other item immediately. Now add 1 teaspoon sugar. This is a very important step in this kafrial. This will give its color. Now once it is brown, caramelized, then we will add the chicken pieces. Add one by one. I had added only the thighs and the breast initially, but then on second thoughts, I am adding the wings and the neck piece also, just in case the chicken falls short for 3 people. Now cover and cook till light brown. Flip the chicken. So you can see it is light golden and beautiful color. So this is very important step. Whichever masala you use, this step is very important. Add 4 tablespoon kafrial masala and or 5 if you want more gravy. It depends on how much gravy you want. So I don't want much gravy. So 4 tablespoon I will use first and then check later. Let the masala coat the pieces and keep stirring. Cover and cook. Now this is looking less, so I will add 1 more tablespoon. I want gravy for the Goan bread. Now once the masala is dry, when it leaves oil, add half cup to 3/4 cup of water and cook on low flame till the chicken is soft and tender. And now the chicken kafrial is ready to serve. Now remove the gravy in a bowl. I like to serve the gravy separately with the chicken. Now this is ready to serve. We will plate it with the boiled vegetables and the potato veggies. Serve in a platter, and it goes with Goan bread, that is une or poi. Cafreal poi is very much popular, so you can serve it with poi, that is the wheat bread. Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like, and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.